सबको लगता है कि हैप्पीनेस सिर्फ किसी एक चीज़ से आती है, जैसे पैसा हो गया या रिलेशनशिप परफेक्ट हो गई या हेल्थ अच्छी हो गई। लेकिन हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट जस्ट डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम वन फैक्टर, इट इज़ अ बैलेंस्ड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मल्टीपल। ज़रा सोच के देखो, लेट्स टेक अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल। लेट्स से कि आपको एक पाव भाजी एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस की बहुत अच्छी लगती है, आपके पास उसको खरीदने के लिए पैसा भी है, आपकी हेल्थ भी अच्छी है, ना आपके लाइफ में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं चल रहा है, फैमिली इज ऑल्सो गुड, रिलेशनशिप इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट दैट पाव भाजी विच गिव्स यू हैप्पीनेस फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, दैट प्लेस हैज बीन शट डाउन, so you would settle for some other place, but it won't taste the same. The happiness, the level of happiness, it won't taste the same. Now let's take another scenario. Let's say that your health is very good, your family and relationships are going very well. आपको जो जगह का पाव भाजी पसंद है, that place is also open, but month end चल रहा है, you don't have money to buy it. Now here again one factor which is money, it's missing, due to which happiness is again incomplete. Let's take another scenario. पैसा भी है, फैमिली रिलेशनशिप भी काफ़ी अच्छी चल रही है, जगह भी खुली है, बट आपके हेल्थ में कुछ इश्यूज है, प्रॉब्लम्स है, ड्यू टू विच यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू ईट इट, कोई भी बाहर वगैरह का खाना। इन दैट केस अगेन हैप्पीनेस कहीं ना कहीं अधूरी रह जाती है। Lastly, one more scenario. Let's say your health is fine, you have money to buy it, जगह भी खुली है, but you have some or the other mental stress going on in your life due to your personal problem, your family problems, और हमारी जनरेशन को देखें तो relationship problems. In that case, you may eat that pav bhaji, but it will taste bland and dull. The point is, of taking this example, it is that somewhere happiness is a combination of multiple factors. We often say that happiness is derived from money, money buys happiness, but behind that money there are multiple variable factors that affect the level of happiness. Happiness is like an equation. There has to be a multiple variable factors that are balanced in order to get true happiness. In our life, often we chase after one factor, which is for our generation again money. We often chase years and years after money while ignoring the rest, while ignoring our families, our relationships, our own health often. And due to this, in our life, we spend years chasing after one factor, that is often money. And we ignore the rest of it. And then further down in life, we wonder why are we not happy? Because there isn't any balance. There is not any balance of the factors. So that's why we should always focus on balancing out things, balancing out these factors, because ultimately our happiness depends on availability of these factors like money, right mind, right time, and right health. Because ultimately true happiness is like a dish. If your recipes and आपके ingredients incomplete हो गए तो true happiness reach कर पाना would be मुश्किल.